So I was stroking my non-binary penis when I stumbled upon a really stupid video by GradeAUnderA. Now I'm all about finding some really stupid fucking videos to nitpick and shit on, right? But it's one thing when a stupidly dumb video has a fuck ton of views. A video so ignorant and so clearly written by an uneducated person that you question if the person you're watching is an actual adult. Now don't get me wrong, I find GradeAUnderA to be quite an entertaining guy. Besides for the terrible drawings that look like one-testicle penises, the humor is pretty good. So before you dislike this video like an angry little bitch, just take the time to watch the video. Okay, so GradeAUnderA posted this video quite a while ago in 2015. Now the fact that I've now stumbled upon this shitfest is like finding a used condom in a haystack. It's rare, but that doesn't make it valuable. Except for the fact that it's not rare, it has over 7 million views. This video is called, Why Animal Names Are Stupid. The title alone doesn't really give much of a detailed explanation of what the video will be about, but one can only fucking guess.
Fucking shush! Alright, listen! Naked pictures are not allowed on YouTube, right? So keep this quiet. Do you guys want to see a pair of great tits? You do, right? Haha, you old dog. There you go! Nice naming system, animal scientists! Calling these birds tits. Grow up, you immature bastards!
Well, to be fair, animal scientists, as you call them, didn't really come up with the name tit. It was derived from Old English, but I'll let you have your cake and eat it too. I understand that your channel is composed of a very young demographic, so I see what you're doing. Plus, they're not called animal scientists, they're called pathologists, and you should know this since you teach in the field of education. But I'll let this slide since it's a running gag throughout the entire video.
Animal scientists are so stupid, man. Who looked at a whale and decided that it was a mammal and not a fish? Like, you don't need a brain to see this, right? It's clearly a fucking fish, man! It lives in the water, it has fins, and its body is shaped like this. That means it's a fish, mate!
No, it doesn't. The fact that it lives in the water and is shaped like a fish doesn't make it a fish. I can apply the same with an ape. An ape is shaped like a human and lives on land, but that doesn't make it a human, does it?
Actually, its babies are born alive, so that makes it a mammal.
No, fake animal scientist, it doesn't. What makes a whale a mammal is the fact that it's warm-blooded, has hair, feeds milk to its young, and doesn't actually live in water. In fact, a whale can actually drown in water if they don't go up for air. But I'm assuming you know this since you're a teacher, right? Right?
Point proven. You lot are stupid, man.
Unfortunately, no point has been proven.
Which idiot looked at a frog and a toad and thought, shit, they're different, are they? No, they're not, right? They look like twins, for fuck's sake. Except one's got dermatitis. But the worst one, by far, crocodiles and alligators. It looks like a copy-paste of the same picture. So what exactly is the difference between a crocodile and an alligator? You might be wondering, right?
If I was in the 5th grade, yes, I would be. The difference between an alligator and a crocodile is that they cannot breed together. They cannot make a baby together. That's what makes something a different species. Sure, they may look alike, so now I hope you know what a species is now, right? I mean, who am I kidding? You know this. You're a teacher, for fuck's sake, right?
Now, there's a bunch of stupid ones, but there are two main ones. One of them is the shape of their snout, which is stupid because to me they look close enough, but to animal scientists, this slight difference is apparently more than enough to warrant a whole new animal being classified.
No one is saying that it's a whole new animal, you fucking butthole. It's a different species. The reason why animal scientists, as Grade calls them, the reason why they show those slight differences is so you can tell them apart. No one is saying because they look a little bit different, it's a new animal, but according to Grade A's amazing comprehension skill, it does.
Alright. And if you watch this clip, you will see the animal expert in the video mention the absolute fucking worst reason ever to warrant the need to classify a completely new animal. Just have a watch, right?
Yeah, well, thanks for bringing it here to the television show.
If you look at the 4th tooth, down
yeah, get in there with your finger and show me.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to do that. That 4th tooth
I can't tell.
up.
I need to see specifically which tooth.
Sticks up from the bottom there. That's one really good way to tell alligators from crocodiles.
The 4th tooth sticks out. Not the 3rd, not the 5th, the fucking 4th. What? You cannot be serious, man. That is not a reason to classify a new animal.
Again, no one said that's what classifies them as a new animal, but all the animal expert was trying to show was the difference between a crocodile and an alligator, because as I said before, they are different species, they can't make babies together. Now I know Grade A isn't the smartest chimp, so I'll explain what makes something a different species. What makes something a different species is if the animal is evolved to such different DNA that it is incapable of reproducing with other animals of its kind, hence the name species. Still the same animal, but just different enough not to make a baby together. Got that? Or was that too much? An alligator can't fuck a crocodile.
Animal scientists are shit with colour. It's kind of like with grapes, okay? Now have a look at these, right? These kind of grapes are called black grapes, obviously, right? These kind of grapes are called red grapes, obviously, right? And these are called white grapes. What? Excuse me? They're not fucking white at all, are they? Who looked at these grapes and thought, oh, these are some lovely white grapes, aren't they?
Yes, this is because they don't name grapes off what color they are, they name them off what color wine they make. Green grapes make white wine, so they are called white grapes. Got that? Or was that too quick for you? Who am I kidding? You're a teacher for fuck's sake, right? You know this, right? Right?
And really quickly, let's just have a look at these. This is a red squirrel, this is a red fox, and this is a red panda. What do you spot wrong here? Yeah, exactly, right? They're not fucking red at all, are they? They're all orange. Now, how did you guys not spot that?
Yes, this is the same reason gingers are called redheads and blondes are called blondes. Gingers obviously have orange hair and blondes obviously have yellow hair. So I think your question should also be pointed towards this as well. But who am I kidding? You're a teacher, right? I mean, come on.
Just to pick on this, not only is the red panda not red, it's not a fucking panda either, is it? It's a ferret.
The red panda is called a panda because it's a very close relative to the panda family. I mean, seriously, do you do any fucking research for this video?
Here's a dog, a fox, a coyote, and a jackal. They look the fucking same, don't they? But despite that, right, animal scientists say that they have enough differences between them to be classed as completely different animals. So if these four look different enough to be classed as different animals, why aren't dogs?
Again, they're not classified as different animals, they're classified as different species, and dogs are classified as different breeds. And who am I kidding? You're fucking
There are too many species, man. Seriously. Like, for example, let's look at ants, alright? Ants are such a simple organism. 3 blobs for a body, another blob for a head, 6 legs, and those feedy things at the front, right?
Feedy things on the front? You mean antennas? Fuck. Hey, let's see how complex a human is.
11,800 different species of ant. What the No, man. That's ridiculous.
Yeah, isn't it amazing that we found so many different species of a single animal? But for Grade here, this is a problem. Think about it, those 11,000 ants are so vastly different they can't even fuck each other and have a baby. Cool, right?
I refuse to accept that there are 11,800 completely distinct types of ant.
And I completely refuse to believe this video has over 7 million views.
Listen, I did my research for this, right?
Alright, so the rest of the video is just him making some cheap gags. But at the end, he tells us to search up a mountain chicken, which I guess is supposed to be him dropping the mic or something. Surprise, it's a frog. But overall, this video is very highly researched and is filled with high quality Adam Sandler jokes. So I mean, it's a 10 for me, Grade. And you should change your channel name to Grade F under F. Am I right? Haha. Okay, don't fuck it.